All right, everybody, I want to give you a quick look at this DJI Osmo Pocket case that's made by Yukon. Now, I want to give a little shout out to two people, David Smith or Rick Halbert, because one of those two guys turned me on to this thing. But the problem is it was so long ago. It was so long ago, I can't remember. But listen, both of them guys are great guys. So go check them both out, okay? I ordered this because one of them guys told me about this. And I ordered it, and it took 30 days to get here. 30 days. I think it came eBay via Jupiter. Okay, it came in from Jupiter through eBay. So here it is right here. I undid the zipper already. It is very nice. It's very, the feel of it is very high quality. And if you could get one from a US seller, you're probably going to pay a little bit more. I got this for $14.30 from China. It came from China. That's why it took the 30 days. So if you were to get it from a US seller, you're probably going to pay 20 bucks and get it in 3 days, which if I would have been able to find one, I would have. But when I bought this, when they told me about it, it wasn't available from a US seller yet. But it more than likely is now. So anyway, the pocket fits right in there. Very nice fit. The wheel, which I have, fits right in there, like that. And then my little 3D printed thing fits right in there like that. And this is some of those other accessories that DJI has. They fit right in there. I don't know. They have the stand, the Wi-Fi controller stand, and then they have the GoPro mount or something that fits in there. But this thing has that built onto it, so. But this just fits right in there like that too, and it closes. And then they have this little section up here, and this came with it also. This little case is here that you can keep, you know, little micro SD cards and whatnot. You can keep that stuff up in here, extra stuff, and you can roll up a little charge cable in here if you need to. But this works fine just the way it is for me. It's very nice. You know, that way I can get rid of these boxes now. Okay, I don't need them no more. I can toss them in the garbage because I'll just use this. Works like a champ. Beautiful. Alright guys, I just wanted to show that to you. So if you're interested in picking one up, you can. I'll put a link down there for the Chinese 30-day version. And if you can find the US seller, just to look around a little bit, you'll be able to find one. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.